Hi everyone, I am Prasad. Welcome to Professor Spark channel. This is the fifth class for electrostatics. Let's come to the questions. Two point charges q and minus 2q are placed at a distance 0 meter and d meter from origin on x-axis. Now third charge is placed at where on x-axis so that three are in equilibrium. Suppose I take the third charge between two charges and nature of that charge is suppose it is positive charge. First you check it. Is it possible that charge is in equilibrium? See, so this is a positive charge, so that is repels along this direction, and negative charge attracts positive charge towards this side. Two forces are in the same direction, so their sum never become the zero. So that is not a possible. Third charge is in equilibrium. Suppose you take a negative charge, positive charge attracts negative charge towards side, and this is negative charge repels along this direction. So two forces are in the same direction. Here also not possible their sum to become zero. So to get third charge in equilibrium, suppose I take the third charge is out of two charges on the same line. Suppose that charge nature is positive charge. This positive charge repels along this direction. Negative charge attracts the positive charge along this direction. So here two forces are in opposite direction. So there is a chance become zero if their magnitude become equal at particular distance. The conclusion point is, suppose two charges plus and minus, third charge should be placed out of two charges. Suppose there is plus and minus, third charge should be placed between two charges to get equilibrium. Third charge should be placed out of two charges on the same line to get the equilibrium. Suppose it is at a distance x from small q. Let's assume that charge is big Q. So Q is in equilibrium. That means total charge on Q should be zero. There are two forces are acting on the Q. One is force on Q by Q, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q cube by x square. Another one is force on Q by minus 2Q, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q minus 2Q by x plus d whole square. See, total distance is x and this is the d. So total distance is x plus d. Q is in equilibrium. So total force on Q should be 0. See, force on Q by Q plus force on Q by minus 2Q should be 0. Force on Q by Q, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q cube by x square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, see, minus q into 2q by x plus d whole square, that is equal to 0. So minus into plus, that is minus. See, this term shift toward the right side, minus become plus. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel, q cancel. See, 1 by x square is equal to 2 by x plus d whole square. Now take the cross multiplication. X plus d whole square, that is equal to 2x square. Expand x plus d whole square, that is x square plus d square plus 2xd, that is equal to 2x square. See, shift all the terms toward this side. Then 2x square minus x square minus d square minus 2xd, that is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square, that is x square minus 2xd minus d square is equal to 0. See here, so this is quadratic expression of degree 2. See, this is x square, this is x power 1 and this is the constant. So a is equal to 1 here, b is equal to minus 2d, c is equal to minus d square, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. See, x is equal to minus b, minus of minus 2d, that is plus 2d, plus or minus square root b square 2d whole square 4d square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus d square, so minus of minus plus, so this 4d square by 2a 1, so 2 into 1 is 1, so here 4d square plus 4d square, that is 8d square root 8, that is 2 root 2 root d square, that is d, 2 root 2 into d. See, 2 cancel, so we get d plus or minus root 2d, so x is equal to, suppose d is common, 1 plus or minus root 2, so one of the answer is d into 1 plus root 2, other one is x is equal to d into 1 minus root 2. So which one answer is correct? Root 2 is greater than 1, so 1 minus root 2 is negative, 1 minus root 2 is negative, so and this is a less than distance d. Direction of q from small q is along this direction. Suppose we take the answer is negative, so the direction of the charge should be along this direction. Suppose it is less than d, so charge should be between plus q minus 2q, so this answer is wrong. Charge should be out of two charges. So answer is, see here, x is equal to d into 1 plus root 2. At a distance of d into 1 plus root 2, third charge should be placed from q along this direction. 2 point charges 4q and 16q are placed at a separation d. How much charge and at which place is it placed between 4q and 16q charges, so that 3 charges are in equilibrium? See, from the data, 2 charges are given, 4q and 16q at a separation distance d. Third charge should be placed between 2 charges, so assume here that is third charge is referred by small q. See, small q is at a displacement like it is from 4q, immediately it become d minus x from 16q. Now q is in equilibrium, that means total force should be 0. Force on q by 4q plus force on q by 16q should be 0. So these directions are in opposite. Force on q by 4q, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q 4q by x square. Other force, that is opposite to previous force, so minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q 16q by distance is d minus x whole square, that is 0. So bring this term, become this side, then it become positive. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel, q cancel, 4 by 4 is nothing but 2 square, 16 is nothing but 4 square, 2 square by x square, that is 2 by x whole square, 4 square by d minus x whole square, that is 4 by d minus x whole square. See here, square cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, take the cross multiplication, that is d minus x into 1, that is equal to 2x, d is equal to 3x, x is equal to d by 3. So at a distance of d by 3 from 4q, total force is 0 at a distance of d by 3 from 4q. So x is equal to what? 2 by 3. So d minus d by 3, that is 2d by 3. At a distance of 2d by 3 from 16 cube, that charge should be in equilibrium. How much charge? So that 3 charges are in equilibrium. 3 charges are in equilibrium mean total force on 4q should be 0, total force on 16q should be 0. Then 3 charges are in equilibrium. Total force on 4q. Force on 4q by small q plus force on 4q by 16q should be equivalent to 0. Denominator of denominator, then it become numerator. D square cancel. Force on 4q by q, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4q into q by, so distance is d by 3 whole square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4q into 16q by total distance is d square, that is equal to 0. So here plus bring towards side, then it become minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel. Four q cancel. D by 3 whole square, that is d square by 9. So 9 is a denominator of denominator, then it become numerator. D square cancel. 9q is equal to minus 16q, so q is equal to minus 16q by 9. See what is the third charge, that is minus 16q by 9. Suppose it is placed at a distance of d by 3 from 4q, then 3 charges are in equilibrium. 2 point charges 4q and minus 16q are placed at a separation d. How much charge and at which place is it placed between 4q and minus 16q charges, so that 3 charges are in equilibrium. 4q and minus 16q are displaced by a distance d. Third charge should be placed out of 2 charges so that it is in equilibrium. Suppose it is x from 4q. Let the charge is small q. So here the given is plus q. So that is notation should be different from given the charges. See, q is in equilibrium mean total force on the charge q is 0. See, on 4q and minus 16q, so both are in opposite direction. So force on q by 4q should be equivalent to force on q by 16q. See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q 4q by x square, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q 16q by x plus d whole square. See here, I don't take minus sign, so minus sign is nothing but opposite direction, so I want only magnitude. See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel. q cancel. See, 4 is nothing but 2 by x whole square. 16 is nothing but 4 square. 4 square by x plus d, that is 4 whole square. 4 by x plus d whole square. See, square cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are See, take the cross multiplication, then x plus d is equal to x, then x is equal to d. See what we get here, distance, that is d. Now how much charge q should be in terms of bq, so that three charges are in equilibrium. So I take here 4q is in equilibrium, then total force on 4q should be 0. Force on 4q by small q, force on 4q by minus 16q should be 0. See here, plus become minus, so their forces should be opposite direction and their magnitudes should be equal. Force on 4q by small q, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 4q into q by, so what is the distance, that is d square. Force on 4q by 16q, so here minus, so here minus of minus, so here minus of minus plus, so its magnitude is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 4q 16q by, so distance is d square. See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel, 4q cancel, d square cancel, then we get 16q. So 16q placed at a distance of d from 4q, then three charges are in equilibrium. Third charge is towards 16q, which is at a distance x. Suppose third charge is q. So q is in equilibrium mean force on q should be 0. So total force on q by 4q and force on q by minus 16q should be 0. See, force on q by 4q, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q 4q by, see what is the total distance between 4q and q, that is x plus d whole square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. See, q minus 16q, distance is x square, should be 0, equivalent to 0. See, a plus into minus, that is minus, bring minus towards side, then it become plus. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel, q cancel, bq also cancel, 4 is nothing but 2 square, 16 is nothing but 4 square, 2 square by x plus d whole square. Okay, 2 square by x plus d whole square is equal to 2 by x plus d whole square. See, 4 by x square, that is 4 by x whole square. See, here square cancel. See, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Now take cross multiplication, 2x plus d, that is equal to x. So 2x plus 2d, that is equal to x. 2x minus x, that is equal to minus 2d. See, 2x minus x, that is x is equal to what, minus 2d. We get the answer, x is equal to minus 2d mean minus, that means take a direction to the opposite. From 16q, choose this distance 2d, already this is a distance d. So from 4q, again it covers a distance d. See here, so this is, so third charge should be placed here. Just now we calculate at a distance d from the 4q, third charge should be placed. We get the answer same. 2 point charges 2 coulomb and 2 coulomb are placed at a distance minus 1 meter and 1 meter from the horizon on x-axis. 1 coulomb charge is placed at 1 meter on y-axis. Charge 2 coulomb is placed where, so that 1 coulomb is in equilibrium. From data, 2 coulomb is at minus 1 meter from the horizon. So from horizon it is at a distance 1 meter and 1 meter. On y-axis, 1 coulomb is placed at 1 meter. So this is 1 meter. We don't know exactly of other two. See, clue from the data is force on 1 coulomb. total force on 1 coulomb should be 0. That means force on 1 coulomb by 2 coulomb plus force on 1 coulomb by 2 coulomb plus force on 1 coulomb by 2 coulomb should be 0. This position is not given, but these 2 coulomb positions are given exactly. So first you calculate the total force of this one, and this force should be equivalent to opposite to resultant of these two forces. Force on 2 coulomb by 1 coulomb is along this direction. Force on 1 coulomb by 2 coulomb is along this direction. So these two vector forces making an angle here. So what is this angle? Say clearly here, the side of this triangle is given 1 meter, and this is the 1 meter. So this is a right angle triangle. So what is this angle? Look here, opposite side is 1, this side is 1. So tan that is equal to opposite by adjacent side. So that is 1. So this angle is 45 degrees. So this is 45, this is also 45, 45, 45, 90. So this is a 90. So this is a 90. See here, these two forces are acted with an angle 90 degrees. So 1C, and these are separated 1 meter and 1 meter. So their magnitude also same. So what is the force on 1 coulomb by 2 coulomb? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by. So what is the distance? See here, this is the distance. So this is the right angle triangle. So this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. 1 square plus 1 square. 1 plus 1, that is 2. So hypotenuse is equal to root 2. So that is distance root 2 whole square, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. So we get 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. For convenient, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is considered as P. See here, P and P making an angle 90 degrees. So what is the resultant? So we know that magnitude of resultant force is P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta, cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So this term becomes 0. P square plus P square, that is 2P square, root of 2P square, that is root 2P. So here, resultant is exactly diagonal of the parallelogram, and its magnitude is root 2P. Other force by 2 coulomb should be in opposite direction, and its magnitude is also equivalent to root 2P. So 2 coulomb should be placed on the y-axis above the 1C, because 2 coulomb repels 1 coulomb along this direction. Force on 1C by 2C should be root 2P. What is the distance? So that is where 2C is placed where. So suppose that is x. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by d square, that is x square, should be equivalent to root 2P. So here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught we consider it as P. So PP cancel. So x square is equal to 2 by root 2, that is square is equal to root 2. So x is equal to root of root 2, that is 2 power 1 by 4. So here from 1C on the y-axis at a distance of 2 power 1 by 4, you place 2C, then 1 coulomb is said to be equilibrium. From origin, see here, 1 coulomb is away 1 meter. Here this is 1 meter, and from 1 meter again 2 power 1 by 4 meter. Suppose 2 coulomb is placed at this distance, of force on 1 coulomb should be 0.